Hi my friends, this is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts. I'm doing some crafting today and realized I should probably turn on the camera because you know what? I've got tags, I've got die cuts, so I'm not sure if this is let's do die cut Monday or let's do tag Tuesday. I'm not sure which one, but here we go. I'm making some stuff. So shoot, I'm just gonna get some stuff out and start working with it. We can chat. I got my old paste here that I tried to clean some of it up. I think I can get to some, well, maybe not. This is the crackle paste. I know some of you gave me some hints to possibly reconstitute. I don't know if you can reconstitute the crackle though, because it would change the chemical reaction. I don't know if that'll work on this particular paste, but I'm going to try to get some on here and go with it and see what happens, because I think some of it may work anyway. If not, it should at least give it a good texture, right? So we'll go with that, because look at that. Isn't that cool? And then when it crackles, it's going to be so fabulous. It does feel thicker than it normally does, but heck, we'll see what happens. So yeah, just playing today. Today for me, when I'm recording this, is actually Sunday. And I'm trying to get the house ready, get myself ready, get all my obligations taken care of today so that I'll be ready for this next week. Do some traveling. Looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it. Everybody's starting to make plans. And it's going to be so much fun. Oops, let's clean this off a little bit because I think my paste is getting a little too thick in there. I don't know how that's going to work. So I figured I'd just kind of put some crackle paste on some of these. Maybe I'll put some grip paste on some others. That would be fun too. Oops, I should probably do it from the other side, because it's sticking in there really, really good. Hopefully I don't ruin my stencil doing that. I guess I could have just used a different part of my stencil, couldn't I? Well, let's try that. Ugh, yuck, yuck, yuck. All right. So, yeah, I hope you guys are doing great too. And that you're finding some time to craft, finding some time for yourself. Sometimes it's hard to do, especially when you're running a household. It's kind of hard to find some time for yourself sometimes, but we have to, guys. We have to. Ooh, I like that one the best so far. If we don't find time for ourselves, who's going to, huh? Nobody. We have to do it for ourselves. And it's something you enjoy, do it. Do it, do it, do it. There we go. All right, let's try, not super happy with how that's turning out, but it's okay. It's all right. It's not bad. Let's try some other stuff. Let's wipe this spatula off. I don't know if I have another one. I think I probably have a plastic one somewhere, but I don't know. I don't know if I do. Actually, this one is toast. I probably need to just go get another, because this one is a hot mess. All right, we'll just call that done. And let's get out some others. We'll see if those crackle for us. You can't add heat to that crackle paste, so we'll just kind of let them set. We'll get out some, ooh, how about some gold? Did this one dried up too? I can't remember, you guys. Tell me. This is the gold crackle. Ooh, this is the wet, gooey one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. I love this paste. This one is so pretty. Just want to put it down really thin. It comes out really nice. Yeah, This one's still real wet, so this one should work great. That one in the middle. Ooh, I should probably get more in the middle of my screen. I hope I'm not off the screen again. Somebody will tell me, I'm sure. There we go. That gold with that green is gorgeous. I'm not worried about it being perfect. Just thought it would be fun to have some fun tags. So I made some bigger tags, and then I realized I had a lot of little pieces that I could make smaller tags with. So that's what I did. Got those out, and this is what I'm doing. I should wipe that table. Why not? Why not use that up? So I didn't have to throw away so much paper, right? Gonna make our scraps last. I'm trying so hard not to buy stuff, but you know what? Part of the reason I'm trying not to buy stuff is because I want to buy some stuff on my trip. I want to bring some fun things back. I want to do some shopping and bring some stuff back with me. I'm gonna have to take a bigger bag. Chloe convinced me I'm gonna probably have to take a small suitcase. Wasn't planning to. I was planning on just taking my backpack like I usually do, but we're staying longer than I have before, and 9 days with just a backpack worth of clothes is not much for clothes. That means I'm gonna have to do laundry a lot. I really don't want to have to do that. So I think I'm gonna probably take a suitcase. Okay. So let's try to get some of this off. I want to try the grit paste too. Oh, I shouldn't have thrown that one away. This one seals really nice. So those should all crackle. And where's that other? This is the is this the translucent grit paste? Yes, this is the translucent grit paste. Now my stencil's gonna still have a little gold on it, and I'm okay with that. It's gonna probably transfer a little bit, some golds, possibly even some of the white, and I've got a little bit still on my spatula. I'm okay with it. I don't mind mixing. I'm sure it'll have a really cool effect. Again, we're just going to go really thin, fill in those grooves, and lift it up. There we go. So yeah, I ran all my errands this morning, and I was going to go thrift shopping here in town, but they didn't open till 11, and I thought, well, it was only 9:38. I thought that's a good sign. I really don't need to do it. So I came home and started working around the house. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do it on these little ones too. There we go. How fun is that? Let's do another one just like it. A little bit on that side. Yes. I cut some of these out as doubles, so some of them have, you'll see me pulling up another color underneath it. That's what's going on there. Oops, I think I might be close to out of screen. Hang on, I'll get back there. A little bit of gold on that one. So yeah, so I'm just kind of hanging out today. I got to get some crafting done. I did do some cleaning here in my craft room, some organizing, so it's going to be in a little better shape when I get home. I've also been looking for some things, and I can't find them, and I thought, well, that's a perfect reason to clean a little, don't you think? So I did a little bit of that. Oh, I have quite a few more. Well, I'm not going to do all of these right now because that would just be boring. But aren't they fun, you guys? This is so cool. Let's see, what could we do to the last ones? Because I don't want them all the same. My goodness, how many do I need? I actually have a whole stack more. Actually, maybe I just will. There's not that many more. Let's keep going. Put those up there. Now we know we can use heat with the translucent, but not with the other, so we'll just probably wait for all of them to just dry. But these will be great for gift tags. They'll be great for, oops, decorating. They'll be good for whatever. Journals. I'm trying to get some more things put away so that I have them when I need them. As you know, I've been on a kick lately. It's like, get some stuff done. Have it put away. Just a few more. Are you guys excited? Did you see the sneak peek of the 700 subbies prize? I have not announced the giveaway rules yet, so but stay tuned for that because I will be announcing that soon. Make sure that you are a subscriber, a visible subscriber, because you won't get to play, and I promise you it's pretty darn cool. That one I kind of messed up, but we'll see how it turns out. It's pretty darn cool. It's cool enough I'm making one for myself. But it's also cool because everybody's going to be a winner in this one. Oh, shoot. I really messed that one up. Let's see if I can do that over. I wonder if it'll let me scrape it off. Ugh, I don't know about that. Well, it's just paper. Tried something different. Turned out better. Wonder if I can do the same thing to this one because I didn't like this one either. Let's just try that again. It's probably way too much stuff. And there we go. Well, it's better than it was. It's not great, but it's better than it was. All right, so there's that. I need to soak that thing. That's nasty. There's my grit paste. Now I have sand under my fingernails, it feels like. Look at that nastiness. Where'd those wipes go? So I'll show you some of the ones I did a little while ago, the bigger ones. I didn't add any paste to them, but I probably will eventually. Some of them, maybe. I need to make a tag flip. So I haven't done, sorry, I'm still cleaning. I'll show you some of the things that I've made actually. I gotta get this off my fingers. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. So I made a little journal. 'Tis the season to sparkle. I made this seam binding. I left the pages blank inside. Put a little package on the end here. Put some stickers here. Added this die cut. I'm really liking it. So I'm making a kind of a theme here. You guys were with me yesterday when I did the pokey tool. Where did those other tags go? I had them with me. Seriously. Oh, here they are. Also giving away some of that seam binding to the recipient because, you know, this all kind of goes together. So they're gonna get some of that same binding that I made. So I made these tags. I thought they all kind of went together. So I'll be making some fun ephemera, or not ephemera, I'll be making some cute dies to put on there and some bows and some goodies that she'll be able to use as well. Probably won't show you all that stuff because she does watch my channel. This one has some vellum on it, so I can stick some stuff on there. This one too. Got some more of these. Just wanted them all to coordinate. I'm not going to use all of these on the same project, but figured I'll have plenty to spare for some other projects. So I'm excited to have those done. So I've just been crafting along, and now we've made these tags together. And it looks like these are already drying and cracking. Look, it's already curling the paper. This is one of the first ones we did. Isn't that amazing how quick that happens? When you flatten it out, it's just gonna crack. That's pretty cool stuff. So it does still work. It's just messed up in the jar. I wish this stuff didn't peel off when it dries though. You have to figure that out. So there we go. So, and then these will dry kind of translucent, so you won't be able to see them as much, except maybe the ones like with a little bit of gold in them. But what I'll do is I'll put some distress ink or something over it and some gilding wax and make them fun. Won't be able to do that till they're dry. But anyway, just wanted to pop on and say hello and get a few things done with you today. I made a bunch of, these are the plain tags that I did, but out of the same papers as the big ones, I was able to make all of these too. So these are fun. So I'll be able to attach these to things and, you know, put them on the back of those, whatever. So I've got a bunch of these little guys too. So yay, it's a start on something, you know, something that I can use later on. A start to my stash to use up. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am going to continue around here and probably make a few more things before I call it a day. But I hope you're all having a great one, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.